the appearance by Wayne LaPierre on Wolf Blitzer's The Situation Room earlier tonight. It's part of a package on the Thune-Vitter Amendment. Take a listen to this. It's only about a minute and a half long here.
The Reverend Vernon Williams of Harlem says he was frightened Congress was even considering allowing gun owners to carry concealed weapons across state lines, complaining there are already too many guns on these streets.
I have a rest in peace list with over 60 names of young people here in the Harlem community over the last 4 years that have lost their lives to illegal gunfire.
Williams is on a mission to crack down on gun violence and worries about these kinds of laws eroding his efforts. He is among the New York opponents of this latest amendment, along with Democratic Senator Charles Schumer. They argue that gun owners in states with looser permit restrictions would have been allowed to carry weapons into states with stricter ones, like New York.
Our team won one for once. That is, those of us who believe in rational laws about guns.
But South Dakota Republican Senator John Thune, who pushed the measure, says overheated rhetoric and fear-mongering overcame common sense. And the National Rifle Association says it's not conceding defeat, pointing out it was only 2 votes shy of passing.
I consider this 58-vote majority in the Senate a positive step, and we'll be back to take it to 60. I promise you that.